Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, September 12th. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend, including a 9/11 yesterday. So our hearts go out to those we haven't forgotten from 9/11. Let's kind of move on here today. One quick note here, I'm going to be making some changes to this. So if you could do me a favor and to help you guys out, I want to make this a little bit more interesting and make some comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from this. Essentially, I'm creating this report as I'm a mortgage planner to kind of show you the trends of what's affecting mortgage rates or interest rates as to where the trends are going and where they're located up or down type of thing with the bond market at the very end. So you tell me how you like to see this, and definitely I'll take a look at and see how we can make this a little bit more interesting for you folks. So let's try and jump in here. There is no economic news releases scheduled for today. It's all whatchamacallit, headline news. So we'll kind of jump right to it, to the headline news. And from the headline news, the stock market's kind of mixed. The Dow is down, but the Nas I think it was either Nasdaq or SP was up a little bit. So it is kind of mixed today. The big news factor today that's affecting everything is the European debt worries. Now, there's several folds here that there's concern that what they call the pigs banks could fall. There's concerns that basically what that is, it's the Portuguese, the Italian, the Ireland, Greek, and Spanish banks. So the concern that they might be falling. This is becoming a lot more worrisome. And then on top of it, you have this exacerbated with the Mr. Stark's departure as last week, where he announced his resignation, which he'll be leaving at the end of this year, as to disagreement on how they will do the bond buying purchase programs that they have going on in Europe. This is all obviously we're creating a lot of concern as to investors wanting to know what's going on more in Europe, as that there's more and more of these. And then you got also Germany is already bracing for a default by Greece right now. So again, some more very big volatile concerns right there. So that's going to be that's the big news factor today on what's affecting stocks and more or less even bonds as well. And then also today, Bank of America announced 30,000 jobs that will be cut over the next few years here, and that will be, again, that's going to be over a couple of years, not going to be all at once, but that's just behind Obama's job bill here. So uh, probably not the best of timing. I'm sure Obama probably didn't appreciate himself trying to get these jobs taken care of here. That's the last thing we want to hear is more companies cutting people. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market and see where interest rates are moving. As we can see we had a huge rally on Friday, which is nice. Don't be alerted to this because actually what we did was we had what they call a bond roller, which happens about once a month, where the pricing basically resets, and this should be probably upwards or right about where we were before. It was about 33 basis points. We are about 9 basis points down below, but rates are about the same or maybe slightly off from Friday, but we had a price improvement on Friday. But don't worry about this. Interest rates are actually about the same as what we were at the end of Friday's levels there. So we actually have really good interest rates going on right now. We're actually almost all-time highs regards to the bond market here. So interest rates are looking fantastic here. All right, folks. Now, if you guys are out looking to buy a home or looking to buy a refinance, go ahead and stop by my website, CaliforniaMortgageTips.com. You'll find a lot of mortgage calculator there. You'll find some great tips on free reports and as well as some educational items. So especially for first-time homeowners, that could be very useful. And you can also, if you want to reach me, I can be reached through that website, CaliforniaMortgageTips.com. You guys have a wonderful day. Catch you tomorrow.